Do you know that millions of women worldwide suffer from a condition that is often misunderstood and misdiagnosed? It's called endometriosis, a chronic disease where tissue similar to the uterine lining grows outside the uterus, causing intense pain, heavy periods, digestive issues, and even infertility. Despite affecting 1 in 10 women, it takes an average of 7 to 10 years to receive a proper diagnosis, largely because menstrual pain is often dismissed as normal. But for those with endometriosis, the pain is anything but normal. It can be debilitating, interfering with work, relationships, and daily life. There is no cure, but treatments like hormonal therapy, surgery, and pain management can help reduce symptoms. Unfortunately, many women are left to advocate for themselves in a medical system that too often overlooks their pain. That's why raising awareness is critical. If you or someone you know struggles with severe period pain, don't ignore it. Speak up.